Bonjour mes amis, aujourd'hui on va faire les alphabets en français. Didn't understand a thing, right? Today we're going to do alphabets in French. So make sure that you repeat with me each and every pronunciation so you learn French faster. Yeah? Let's start. A in French is pronounced as A. How? A. B in French is pronounced as B. B. C, however, is pronounced as C. C. D in French is pronounced as D. D. E in French is pronounced as E. E. Slightly from your throat. E. E. Deep U sound. Look at my lips. E. E. This is a slightly tricky pronunciation, but it'll come with time. Moving on. F in French is pronounced as F. Same as that in English. G, however, is pronounced as J. J. Say the word measure. Measure. Use the J sound and pronounce J. J. H in French is pronounced as Ash. Ash. H is always silent in French, remember. Though the pronunciation is Ash, but it is never pronounced in French. Okay? Moving on. I in French is E. How? E. So remember, E is A, but I is E. Crazy, right? J in French is G. Again, say the word measure and G. Measure, G. So G is J, but J is G. Don't forget. K in French is Ka. Ka. L in French is pronounced as L. M, however, is also M. N is also N. O is the same as O. Whereas P in French is P. Repeat with me. P. Q in French is Q. Q. Slightly from your throat again. There is a U sound end of Q. Q. R in French is R. R from your epiglottis. It takes a while to get the hang of this pronunciation. Once again, R. S, however, is S. The same as English. S. T, however, is T. T. U in French is U. U. Half of E and half of U. U. V, however, is V. V. W in French is W. W. Double of V. Just like that in English. W is double of U. In French, it is double of V. X is X. X. Y is Y. Y. Z is Z. Just like that in English. We'll repeat it once again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. If you really want to learn French language, make sure you watch French content every day. For that, subscribe to my channel, and if you want live classes with me, make sure you check the description below. Merci, à bientôt.